and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. I'm a random girl doing random things, and today I'm gonna be burping while trying out the new Switch. This is Switch Halloween edition, jelly and custard flavor. My boyfriend brought it for me yesterday. He tends to bring me a lot of these energy drinks. I love trying them out, and I love seeing how they make me burp. So yeah, if you're into that and gaming and like cosplay and stuff like that, please hit that subscribe button. And if you already have, thank you and welcome to my family, my camp fam. Okay, let's try this out, guys. Are you excited? Ooh, the last burping video. You know what? I actually did record you guys another burping video, but with like my favorite monster, the Mucho Loco. However, I noticed like after a while I was recording, it glitched, and then like my mouth wasn't matching up with what I was saying, or it was really annoying. I didn't know how to edit that, so maybe once I figure it out with AI, I'll upload that video, but who knows. Right now, you guys get Halloween edition. Oh, and you couldn't even see my horns. I put horns on for you guys. Sorry, that was a very suggestive position. I should not have done that. Okay, let's do this. Messy and messed. Okay, so they said jelly and custard. Odd combination. I love the little ghosty though. Did you guys see the ghosty? Look at this cute ghosty. Isn't he adorable? I think he's so cute. Okay, let's do it. You guys should rate my burps in the comments, please. I want to know. It's nice. It's unusual. It's an unusual taste. You can definitely taste the jelly. I'm not tasting that much custard though, or maybe I'm just... No, I tasted both. It's weird. It tastes like a pudding. Quite nice. If you guys have any recommendations of any energy drinks or anything I should try, leave it in the comments for me so I can check it out. Remember, I do live in South Africa though, so everything will be imported probably from your suggestions, but who knows? I don't even know who watches my stuff. But yeah, let's see. Woo! I'm excited to try new flavors. I'm not a very fussy person when it comes to new things. Clearly. I love trying new things. I love eating new things. I love drinking new things. Just not really alcohol, only because it gives me a headache before I fucking drink it. Man, I just have to smell wine and I'm drunk. So that's not good. I have to smell a muffin and I gain 5 kilograms. It used to be like that, now not anymore. Yo. Ooh. Ooh, this one gives me nice burps and it tastes nice. Like the aftertaste isn't disgusting. It's cool because it's like almost like you taste the custard when you burp more. Weird. Weird. Maybe I'm just weird. Nice. That was a nice one. I like that one. I like that one. I want someone to do an edit of all of my burps. Put them all together and make a fucking hit TikTok track. That's what I want you guys to do with my burps. Well, maybe not all of my burps because, you know, some of the videos are not safe for work. But the ones on YouTube, you could totally do. There was a dud in that one because I burped inside and then I burped outside. I was robbed of a burp. Oh my god. So unfair. I hope you guys know that when I do accents like that, I'm joking. Like, I'm exaggerating. A lot of people think that I just, like, I try and put emphasis on things by saying it in an accent to try and be funny. But it's hard to be funny when you're pretty. People don't think you're funny. Which sucks. I think I'm hilarious. I have enough trauma to be hilarious. That I can guarantee you guys. Whew. These burps are beautiful. They're healing my soul. I haven't had a video with some good burps in a while, so I'm really happy about that. Thank you, Mr. Ghosty. You're giving me delicious burps. I love it. Nope. Whew. If you guys like my burps, you could always check out my curvage.org/Delilah D. You'll find me there. I do burping videos, I do green screen videos, I do all sorts. Whatever people ask me to make, I generally, most of the time, don't have an issue with it. But yeah, there are some things I have to say no to. You know, because of morality issues and the fact that I can't do certain things. A lot of people ask for extremely, like, difficult to do things. Like, humanly difficult to do. And I'm just like, you know I'm a human, right? You know I can't. Some people. But most people, very considerate, very sweet, very demure. You know, very cutesy. Very understanding of boundaries. I love those. Those are my favorite customers. I love my job. I know I complain a lot about, like, the neighbors being noisy and just people being inconsiderate and the discrimination that you face as an SW online. You really have to have tough skin, and I've never been a person with tough skin. And that's why I go into the whole Dom thing, because it's like an outlet for me, you know? To get the bossy, angry meanness out of me. And I know that shatters a lot of people's illusion. But I don't give a fuck. I'm a human being. And you guys are my friends at the end of the day, because I don't really leave my house. I don't like to. People are toxic and they make problems. And I'm a loner. I've become more of a loner as I've become older, because I've just noticed that you can attend every party and have every friend in the world, but when times are tough, most of them won't be there for you. All you have is yourself and maybe your family. But not in all cases. Anyway, wow, this got deep. Let me fucking burp. I think that made up for it, right? But yeah, I really appreciate your support, guys, because I mean, girls like me, we don't get paid on YouTube. I try to do some safe word videos, like my gaming videos, to actually be able to reach the threshold to start making money on YouTube, but nobody watches them. Nobody watches them. So, okay, no, that's a lie. I have some people watching it. I actually have a lot more people watching it now than before. And for that, I want to say thank you. Okay, let's continue burping. Sorry. I just want to say thank you. Sorry. That was disappointing. Disappointing. I don't like when they come out in bits and pieces. I want one big monster burp. You know what I mean? What am I today, guys? The girl your mother warned you about. That's what I am this Halloween. Because honestly, I'm so lazy to get into more cosplays. But there are still a few I want to do again. Because I have cosplays. I'm not going to go and buy more. Because I don't have money right now. And it's just, everything is so expensive these days, guys. And I feel like, because most people who buy my content are from America, and I feel like because the elections are coming up, it's not that busy for me right now. So I'm really waiting for the elections to finish, and then hopefully, you know, people will buy things again. But also, locals, why are you not supporting me, guys? I've noticed that local people will not buy, well, if they do buy, it's probably on VPN, because a lot of the stores won't tell you, obviously, who's buying your content, but it will tell you where they're from. And most are from all over the world. I think maybe I've sold maybe 2 videos in my clip stores that aren't like OF, to South Africans, which is so crazy. So crazy. I think my accent annoys the locals. I don't know what it is. Locals just don't buy my stuff. So that's why I'm always directing like my conversation generally to my American audience, because that's what I've been used to for the last 8 years. It's only since TikTok, because TikTok was fine, I was growing great on it, and then they took down my account, and then new rules were like put in place, and now my account only really gets pushed to local people and like my model friends, but like nobody outside of my country. So everyone's like, what's this crazy bitch doing? And I'm just like, just what's been working for me for the last 8 years. But now it's not working for me anymore, so I don't know what to do anymore. These algorithms really fucked me up, man. That was a very dangerous one. Whew. My leather was almost covered in something I didn't want it to be covered in. They're so pathetic now, because I'm scared. I'm so fucking scared. Woo! Oh, guys, have you been following the Diddy case? Crazy, man. Can you believe he's such a monster? See, when I'm beating the crap out of people and like biting their things off, that's what I'm imagining. I'm imagining a piece of shit like Diddy, you know? Who needs a strong, independent woman. I was gonna say to something up his but he might enjoy it, so maybe not. I don't know. But yeah, fuck that guy. Fuck that guy. The shit he did was horrific. Fucking horrific. Allegedly. Don't come for me, I'm just a girl. I'm just a baby! I'm just a baby! I saw a TikTok the other day where the chick bumped into a dude's car, and in his windscreen she put a note that said, "I'm just a girl," with like a little hamster toy that squeaked. I thought it was so funny. I was like, marry her! It was so cute. I'm sorry I hit your car. I'm just a girl. The audacity though. That's the kind of shit that gets me off, man. That's hilarious, because how could you be mad? How could you be mad at that? How could you be I mean, you could be mad at that. But how could you be mad at that? You'd have to be a monster to not at least giggle, you know? And the dude was laughing. I'm like, oh, I probably wouldn't be laughing because of my car, but yeah. Oh, I had a friend crash my car once. Haven't bought a car since. Hope he rots in hell. Anyway, let's not talk about that right now. Let's burp again. Motherfucker, that was amazing. I think that's the best burp I've ever done. Thumbs up. Thumbs up if you like that. Thumbs up if you think that burp deserved it. Because I think it did. Okay, let's go. I'm excited. I want another big one. It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. That was the biggest one ever. And there's like one sip left here, so I don't think so. Let's see. One normal sip. Okay, I'm like 5'0" nothing. So my little sip doesn't count as one sip. Okay, so bye, Ghosty. Okay, let's try this. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving me a like, subscribe, and go support